How to reduce brightness on a Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Open the settings menu. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu. Navigate to settings and press enter. Step number 2. Go to picture settings. In the settings menu, scroll to and select picture. This is where you can adjust display settings, including brightness. Step number 3. Select picture mode. This is optional. Choose picture mode and select a mode with lower brightness, such as movie or natural. These modes are often less bright than the dynamic or standard modes. Step number 4. Adjust brightness manually. To adjust brightness directly, go to Expert Settings under the Picture menu. Find the brightness option and use the arrow keys to decrease the brightness level to your desired setting. Step number 5. Adjust backlight, if available. If your Samsung TV model has a backlight setting, you can also reduce this to further decrease overall screen brightness. Lowering the backlight reduces the intensity of the screen's illumination without changing color or contrast, which can help save energy and reduce eye strain. Additional settings, also optional. Eco Solution. Some Samsung TVs have an Eco Solution setting that automatically adjusts brightness based on room lighting. Go to Settings, General, Eco Solution, and adjust settings like ambient light detection if you want the TV to dim automatically in darker rooms. Step number 6. Test the brightness level. Exit the settings menu and test the brightness by viewing your content to see if the new level suits your preferences.